Modding Diablo II, and need to work with DC6 graphic files? These store the iconic 2D sprites for the classic ARPG. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view and edit these Diablo II character graphic files. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for DC6 file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. A DC6 file contains graphical sprite data for characters, monsters, and items in the classic video game Diablo II. 2. Users, typically modders or game enthusiasts, search for how to open these files to view, extract, or edit the game's 2D artwork and animations, often for creating custom game modifications. The DC6 format is a proprietary binary file designed by Blizzard Entertainment to store indexed color sprite sheets and animation frame data. Its structure is optimized for the game engine to quickly load and render 2D character animations from multiple angles, which was crucial for performance on hardware of its era. The fundamental software link for DC6 files is built around Diablo II, resurrected by Blizzard Entertainment. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows provides restricted visibility into game resources, so proper access depends on modding tools. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your DC6 file and choose Open With. Test Diablo II, resurrected first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If the DC6 file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent DC6 problem. First, viewing with DC6 tools. Install Diablo II modding tools, like DC6 Tool or Pulsarami's tools designed specifically for the DC6 format. Open the DC6 file in the tool to view all frames and animation directions. Most tools support exporting individual frames as PNG or BMP for editing in image editors. Next, editing in Photoshop. For modifying DC6 graphics, first export frames to PNG using DC6 conversion tools. Edit the images in Adobe Photoshop or GIMP using the Diablo II palette for color accuracy. Once edited, use DC6 packing tools to convert your modified PNGs back to DC6 format for use in the game. Finally, using 6DC6 or similar. Use 6DC6 or other community-developed Diablo II modding utilities for batch processing and conversion of DC6 files. These tools streamline the workflow for major mods that involve many sprite changes, providing automated conversion between DC6 and standard image formats during development. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.